Yo guys, the Kid Unboxer here, and today we'll be doing another unboxing video. This time we'll be unboxing the ceramic knife that I bought off Alibaba for about $2. I thought this was cute, so I bought it. But you guys might be like, if you ordered it online, why is it out of the package? Now, yes, that is what I'm going to explain now. So basically what happened is that my dad also ordered stuff online, like he ordered pictures. So he thought this was one of the pictures, so he decided to open it, but it turned out to be my knife. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. I can see that it's kind of loose. It's a little plastic things. I like these because they're not hard to open, so I don't need my unboxing knife today. I chose the orange color one. Hopefully you guys can see clearly. Yeah, as you can see. Let me just box this out. And you might say, I'm actually unboxing this from another angle. I'm actually doing a video computer because my card reader doesn't work, and I apologize for the sound at the back. Yes, my little brother is really loud, so yeah. That's pretty sure good. I got some paper here, recycled paper that I don't need, so let's try. As you can see, this is actually pretty sharp. What is probably need some sharpening. Let's try one more time. Okay, it only cuts a bit, and then it's like, oh, the tip, right? The tip is, so you have to insert the tip first and just kind of slide it through. Oh yeah, that's sharp. That's sharp now. I waited for almost 1 month for this to come. I ordered it on the start of January, the end of January. Came on now, it's March 1st. Well, the unboxing that I'm doing today is March 1st. It actually looks really weird like this. So, you see? This is plastic, so it's really sharp. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Here's a microphone. So if I put the microphone down, you guys can see it now. This is really cool. I use this, it's like a decoration for my room as well. This comes out whenever I need it. I can, take it out, open it up. Let me try opening this one. It's just a bit hard. I'm gonna cut some more paper. So I'm gonna cut this paper. I think we're supposed to cut it like this. Give the tip first, and then kind of push it close this shop. I don't know if you guys can see, but then let's get my watch to compare. Okay. Here's the watch. You see that? Unboxing. Hopefully it was enjoyed. If you did like it, maybe appreciate it. Yes, I like it, maybe appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Also see you guys next video. And I'll see you guys next time for my next unboxing video. Yeah, so bye.